How to remove iOS 18 beta from iPhone without computer. So if you want to downgrade iOS 18 to 17 without computer, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings and then scroll down, go with general. And from general, you need to go with software update. And here under your software updates, you need to just simply go with the automatic updates and turn off the update. After turning off your automatic updates or after turning off your beta updates, you need to just simply tap on off and then you can go back. And now I need to scroll down and here you will find an option of VPN and device management. You need to tap on it and then you need to sign in to your account, your VPN account. And once you sign into your developer account here, it will ask you that if you want to begin your security delay to enroll in MDM. And you will have an option to remove that iOS 18 beta profile from your iPhone. You need to just simply remove that iOS 18 beta profile and your iPhone will be automatically downgraded to your iOS 17. You can also go with your general and then scroll down a bit and go with transfer reset iPhone and you can reset all of your settings. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.